How to get vivamax voucher code. First things first is pull up any browser that you would like to use. Now I'm going to be using Chrome for this video, and we will be getting a voucher code through the Lazada app or through the Lazada website. So first things first is via search it here, just search it Lazada vivamax voucher code. Now, some of the features or subscriptions from Lazada has been already removed, like the premium subscription for 7 days. This is already been removed. Now, the only thing left is gonna be the monthly plan for which is the Viva one. So just choose on the Viva one first, and you will be routed to this page. For you to be able to have multiple options for Viva one, just click on more digital vouchers from vivamax. Now in here you will have a lot of options that you can go ahead and add to your cart for you to be able to get a voucher code, maybe for a 1 week, 12 month, 3 months, and so on and so forth. So that's how you get vivamax voucher code.